Locking a folder on your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac adds an extra layer of security to safeguard your sensitive files from unauthorized access. While macOS doesn't have a native feature to directly lock folders, you can achieve a similar level of protection by creating an encrypted disk image using Disk Utility. This encrypted disk image acts as a secure container where you can store your confidential files requiring a password for access. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to lock a folder on your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac. First, you have to open the Disk Utility. Launch Disk Utility, which is located in the Utilities folder within the Applications folder, or you can use Spotlight Search by clicking Command Space to find and open Disk Utility directly. So search for disk and then you see Disk Utility, click Enter. And now we are going to create a new disk image. In this file, in the Disk Utility file, go to the File menu here and select New Image and then Blank Image. Now you see a new screen popping up, and in this screen we are going to set parameters. So we provide a name for our disk image. We name it Secret for now, and then we choose where we want to save it. I want to save it on my desktop, so we select desktop and then we name it again. And here under size you can specify the size of the disk image, ensuring it's sufficient to accommodate the files you intend to secure. So we make it 600. Now we're going to look at the encryption options. Now it's set none, but we have to select either this one or this one. That is for robust security. So for now we go for recommended, this one, and then we have to set a strong password for the disk image to prevent unauthorized access. And then we have to verify the password. And then you click on choose. Now everything is done and we can click on save to create the encrypted disk image with the specified parameters. Disk Utility will generate the disk image file .dmg on your selected location. As you see, 2 new files here at my desktop and operation successful. So you click on done and you can close the screen now. Now we are going to mount the disk image. Double click on the disk image file, the .dmg, to mount it. You'll be prompted to enter the password you set earlier to unlock the disk image. And make sure you don't forget your password. You can remember your password in your keychain or write it down, but make sure you don't forget. Click on OK. And now we are going to add files because the disk image is mounted and then it appears as a separate volume in Finder. Drag and drop the files you wish to secure into this mounted volume. So in this one, and you can double click and then click on the file you want to drag it and drop. Now it's uploading and now it's done. This is the file I want to secure into this mounted volume. So we close the screen, and after adding your files, you can eject the disk image by dragging it to the trash or right clicking on it and selecting eject. So Control right click, eject secret. And you have to wait for a few seconds. And this action unlocks the disk image requiring the password for access. So let me show you. We click on the .dmg and then we fill in our password. And then here it is, our secret disk. So when you're done with your disk, Control right click, eject secret. And that's it. Don't forget, it's crucial to remember the password you set for the encrypted disk image. Without it, you won't be able to access the contents of the locked folder. Okay, by following these steps, you can effectively lock a folder on your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac using Disk Utility's encrypted disk image feature, ensuring the confidentiality of your sensitive files. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.